our software does a few things. First of all, we have some reporting that allows us to take a look at how it is that that data has been recorded in our system. So, where is it that my shipment has been? Where is it going right now? We have a bunch of different ways that this information can be delivered to the customer. So, as I mentioned, either in the reporting, some version of the automated reporting, or just a simple dashboard that the customer can look at. So this allows them to see, like I said, where it is that the shipment is, and also take a look at whether or not it's on time. So in the end, once you have all of this information collected, this allows the customer to see where it is that they have either bottlenecks in their supply chain or where it is that they have shipments being missed. But all of this information, like I said, collected together, gives them a really good snapshot of how it is that freight is moving from one place to the other. That information is tied together in a couple of different ways. So we have a lot of automation that occurs in our system. So one way that the physical flow ties back to our system is, once a carrier records the information, either it is sent back to us just about real time from the carrier, from their system, or if we're using a different type of automation, there can be a slight delay, but it occurs the same way. The carrier records the information, we receive it, and then that allows us to essentially record the movement or the physical movement of the freight, and then translate that into a status in our system. One of the things that I think of when you ask that question is, how is it that I'm going to collect money from my customer after I provide a service? So that's one piece. So our system allows our customer to stay on top of their collections from their customers, and so that I believe is a really big piece of their relationship. If they have a customer that isn't paying on time, then that should be a red flag for a couple of different reasons. One is, are they going to be able to collect the money in the first place, and two, is this a problem that needs to be addressed with the customer? So, there are lots of different pieces, to the relationship, but, a really big piece, in my opinion, like I said, is making sure that our customer can collect money from theirs.